If you are stepping on the gas and your car feels like it has suddenly lost all its muscle, you might be dealing with an electrical hiccup in your turbo system. Today we are looking at the code P0243, which stands for Turbocharger Wastegate Solenoid A malfunction. This is a generic powertrain code that you will often see on turbocharged or supercharged vehicles like Fords, Chevys, or even Volkswagens and Audis. Essentially, it means the brain of your car, the powertrain control module or PICM, has lost its ability to talk to the wastegate solenoid. The wastegate is what controls the boost pressure, and when the electrical circuit is broken, the computer can no longer manage how much air is being forced into your engine. You will definitely notice the malfunction indicator light glowing on your dashboard, and you might even see a message on your instrument cluster telling you something is wrong. The biggest symptom is a major lack of power because the car is likely going into a protective mode to prevent engine damage. Usually, this happens because of an open or shorted wire between the solenoid and the computer. It could be a power supply issue or even a faulty solenoid itself. To fix this, you should start by looking for any technical service bulletins or TESBs for your specific make and model. Then, find the wastegate control solenoid under the hood and check the wiring for any signs of rubbing, bare wires, or melted plastic. Take the connectors apart and look for that green tint of corrosion or any burnt pins. You can use electrical contact cleaner and some grease to ensure a good connection. If the code stays after clearing it, grab your digital volt ohm meter or DVOM and check the resistance of the solenoid. It should not be open or shorted to 0 ohms. You also need to verify that you have 12 volts of power with the ignition on. If you have power and ground but the solenoid doesn't click when you test it with a scan tool, it is time for a new one. If you find that the wiring is perfect and the solenoid is fine, you might be looking at a failed computer, but that is very rare. If you are not comfortable testing live circuits or digging through wiring harnesses, this is the time to head to a professional technician. Replacing a solenoid is usually simple, but tracking down a ghost in the wiring can be tricky for a beginner. Keeping your engine bay clean and checking your vacuum lines occasionally can help prevent these electrical grids from ruining your drive.